What's up, team? This is Coach Anthony with Amnes Boxing. In this video, we got another 3-round sparring session. Now, we're gonna go for 2 minutes on each round. This is more of a beginner-friendly sparring session. I wanna be throwing punches, right? You're gonna focus on countering, moving your head, slipping punches, and maybe rolls in there, right? Don't just stay stiff. You're not a robot, all right? We're not being robotic with our movements. I want you throwing your hands, moving after each and every punch. Here we go. All right, remember, stay light on your feet, hands up, moving after those shots. Here we go. All right, so for this round, team, we're gonna pick up that pace a little bit. A little more punches coming through, right? So lots more head movement, lots more counters. Here we go. Keep those hands up. All right, team, this is our last round. We're gonna get straight right into it. Really hard, really fast. Here we go. Some more advanced round. want to see a lot more head movement. All right, team, those 3 2-minute rounds. Hope you guys had fun with it. Hope you were moving a lot. Hope you were throwing a lot of punches. This is a great workout that you guys can come back to over and over and over again. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe if you got any value from this video at all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.